Hey, how's it going? We're ripping some White Flare. Don't hit us with chilly reception, drop a like, follow, or subscribe. Since Halloween is creeping up, let's get spooky. Which Pokemon would make the perfect Halloween movie villain? I'm saying Marshadow. The blank stare and the rigid stance just scream villain energy. Who do you got? Extra points if it isn't a ghost Pokemon. Yuck, Samurott, super mid-pull. And a Mon I just can't get behind. Oshawott had so much promise. Anyways, thanks for hanging. Bye!